In this video, I'm going to discuss 4 essential skills for online teaching and some passive income ideas for online teachers. So let's get started after a short break. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tahir and I make videos for teachers and students about technology tools which we have today. If you are interested in this topic, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. Now, when we talk about online teaching and passive income, it essentially means that you are creating some content. So, two of the things which we are going to discuss today relate to how to create this content fast because it is a competitive market. And then two of the next skills which you need is to reach your audience, to reach your potential students. This video is for those teachers who are so-called solo entrepreneurs who want to share their knowledge and at the same time make some living from their content. So first we will talk about two important things for creating content fast, and then we will talk about two important things to reach your target students or audience. Now, when you want to generate passive income teaching online, the first thing you want to learn is about technology. What are latest online tools available? What are online teaching platforms? What are online teaching methods? And what online teaching strategies are used today? What are different formats of online teaching? We are not talking about tutoring. We are talking about methods in which your content is available somewhere on a teaching platform where students get access after they pay you. And choice of platform is important because you want to create assignments, you want to create lesson plans, you want to create quizzes, and all this will depend on the platform you choose. Because there are slight differences and there is a learning curve to learn any platform. And in general language, this teaching platform is called a learning management system. And there are many platforms such as Google Classroom, Blackboard, Canvas learning management system. And on my channel, you have videos about each of these platforms. You can watch those videos. But this is the first thing you should learn: how to use technology. How to share your screen, how to do a live stream, how to ask your students to share a screen. And this means that you have to learn video conferencing software such as Zoom or Google Meet or WebEx, and also the screen capturing software. For example, OBS or Loom, or if you want a lot of features, then maybe Snagit, which is a paid product. So you have to learn all these tools because these are essential tools for online teaching. Now let's talk about the second important skill, which is video and audio production. Now your teaching content can be many other forms, and we are going to talk about this when we talk about some passive income ideas. But video is the most popular at the moment. YouTube is dominating. Some say websites are dead, although I don't completely agree. But video is an important tool for online teaching. Now, you don't even need a camera to make your videos. You can simply do screen capture where you can show your presentation and your voiceover. And I have few videos about how to create video lectures by screen recording. And as I mentioned that you can use OBS or any other free screen capturing software to create these educational videos. But when you are creating videos, there are some other bells and whistles which go along this creation process. For example, you must understand how to edit a video because you cannot record anything perfectly. When I'm recording this video, I have to cut few places. My ooh, ah, and these kind of things I have to cut and edit because you cannot avoid it. I use HitFilm Express, which is also free, but there is a learning curve. You have to learn this at least 2, 3, 4 weeks. You have to learn how to edit a video. Then there are many ways to record audio, but this is an important skill as well. How to remove noise, how to enhance the volume levels. I use Audacity for that. So this is the second important skill you must acquire if you want to create passive income for your online teaching business. Another important thing about videos is that where you are going to host your videos. You can host on YouTube, but there are few issues with hosting on YouTube alone. So I use Vimeo, which is another video hosting platform, and I have to pay around $300 per year and I have no affiliation with Vimeo. I'm just telling you my own story. So you have to manage all these things. You have to learn how to create videos, how to create good quality audio, how to edit videos, and how to host your content on a safe and secure platform. And now let's talk about two important skills which you have to acquire in order to get audience. And there are only two ways you can get online audience. Number one is free or organic traffic, and number two is paid traffic. So these are the two important skills which you have to learn. The first is called search engine optimization, and the second is called marketing skills. Online marketing or digital marketing, whatever you call it, where you use advertisement to advertise your content. You can either pay someone to do this for you, but that will be very expensive. I have talked to few people and I could not afford it. It's too expensive. So you might get some cheap from some other country, but I live in Australia and it is very expensive here if I ask someone to advertise for me. So I had to learn Facebook advertisement and Google AdWords to advertise my courses. So this is an important thing you should understand. Now let's talk about search engine optimization. This is a very broad field. Whenever I log into my LinkedIn account, I get requests for new contacts, and every day I get 10 or 20 requests from so-called SEO experts. Now everyone is SEO expert. If you don't agree with me, just log into your LinkedIn and you will see there are thousands of so-called SEO experts. I don't want you to be an SEO expert. The only thing you need to do is get a little bit of understanding how keywords work. What are important keywords for your field of expertise? And there are tools available such as SimilarWeb, where you can find what your competitors are doing, what keywords they are using, what websites they are advertising on. So you can get SimilarWeb account and you can get this information. So only use 2 or 3 tools. What I use is Keywords Everywhere. I purchased $10 and then I'm using nearly for 1 year. I get 100,000 searches and still I think there are 30,000 left. The second tool I use is SimilarWeb. Then I use BuzzSumo to get about latest trends and also Google Trends. So these are some tools which you can use and you can get some understanding of how SEO works. And don't become one of the SEO experts, because we have millions already on LinkedIn. And the fourth skill I mentioned, how to do marketing. Now you have to pay Facebook or Google to show your advertisements. It is not hard. You don't have to pay anyone. On YouTube, there are excellent videos available. You can learn from those videos and you can create your own advertisements. And to create your ads, you can use tools such as Canva, which is a fantastic tool. I am using Canva for last 7 years now. But you have to learn how to advertise. And now let's talk about the most important topic, some passive income ideas. Now passive income is the income which you earn with a minimal amount of work. It is not a free money. The only difference is that for passive income, you have to work upfront. You have to work beforehand and you have to wait and grow until that passive income becomes substantial. Because in the beginning, you might earn just $2, $3, $4 a day. But with the time, it will grow. Now, the first thing is that you can create courses, of course, as an online teacher. But other than that, there are 2 very important things which you can do. The first thing is there is a website called Teachers Pay Teachers. On that website, you can create resources for teachers. Lesson plans, quizzes, workbooks, activity books. Very easy to create by using Canva, by using LaTeX. On my channel, I have many videos about LaTeX. So you create these teachers resources, and TPT is a huge website for teachers. There are millions of teachers generating income on TPT. So this is one website where you can create some quick content, some short content, 10 pages, 20 pages, workbooks, quizzes, assignments, lesson plans. And the second important thing I would like to share is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. I previously have published one diary for PhD students and one logbook for drones, because once I got a drone pilot license and I got excited about drone technology, I published one logbook on KDP. On Kindle Direct Publishing, you can publish your own activity books, your own practice questions, whatever you want. Minimum 24 pages. If you have a 24-page content, you can publish it on Amazon KDP because this is the minimum page limit. And you can generate income. There are millions of people generating passive income from Amazon KDP. Although it is very competitive and you might have to create at least 50 or 100 these short books before you will see any significant income. But it is a very good option. So this is it for today. I hope that you learned something from this video. If you see value, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.